Scrubzz rinse-free bath sponges. This is scent Aloe Vera, very nice. Middle ground between a quick wipe and a full shower. So this is what it looks like when it comes out of the pack. There are 25 in the pack, ample supply. So literally, you just run it under water, and this is what it does. And you just creates real suds, which makes it feel closer to an actual shower. Such a fresh aloe vera scent, clean, neutral, and it works for anyone. So simple to use, and it does not at all leave any kind of sticky or soapy residue. Just wiping down. This is a real reliable option for those everyday situations when a full shower is not happening. So great for elderly care, post-surgery, or really helping someone stay clean and comfortable. This also works for travel, gym bags, camping, or just busy days. I also use these to wipe my dog's feet when they're a little muddy and a little dirty. An easy, no-fuss solution that actually feels like you got clean. I highly recommend the Scrubzz rinse-free bath sponges, and these are in scent Aloe Vera. This review is sponsored by the brand.